Good morning, everybody. Ignore the way that I am looking. It is like 6 in the morning. I have been up since 4. If you guys are new to my channel, my dog is diabetic. And we live in the dead of heat in Arizona. And we take our dog on a walk at 4 in the morning, kind of bring his numbers down. And on top of that, that's when I get in their walk, because if not, it is super hot and we're not gonna burn their paws. So I've been up since 4. I had my coffee already, but I usually never eat before I go on my walk. So 6 in the morning, because it's so hot, we're gonna go on my walk today. Well, it's a walk slash run. So I do about 2 miles. So we live in a very like hilly area, so I'll run some and walk some. Usually I run, but because of where we live recently, I'm working on the hills because hills are really hard to do. But yeah, so I usually do about 2 miles, and that takes me about 45 minutes depending on how fast I'm going and you know what's going on and stuff like that. I'm feeling pretty good today. All I had for this morning is some turkey sticks, some turkey jerky stick. I only had 1. Usually I just eat a little something to kind of pep me up. And then on top of that I have my my coffee from this morning, which I drank at like 4 in the morning. So that's gonna be the energy that runs through us for this entire workout. Today you guys are coming on my walk with me, and then we are going to be doing my cycling. I do an hour. We're gonna go on my walk right now. I might not film the whole thing. I might just film like certain clips of it because it is 6 in the morning and we live in a retirement area, which means everybody's awake. Every single person is awake right now. And I don't wanna I have my big old camera, I have my big old Canon camera, and I don't wanna film me with this big old camera on my walk. So I'll probably just film like the beginning and the end, and I won't show you guys anything in between. If my GoPro was working, I would. But yeah, so basically that's gonna be it right now. So we're gonna go on my walk. It's 7 right now. Dang, it's gonna get hot. I'm gonna spray myself with some sunscreen. I'm gonna put my shoes on, but it is 7 o'clock right now, which you guys probably can't see, but it is 7 o'clock and we'll be done about 7:45-ish. And then we're gonna get on the bike and do that for about an hour, hour and a half. So let's do it. Now, a little something beforehand. I want everybody to know that I'm not like a certified fitness instructor. I'm not a fitness type of person. I'm not trained in this stuff, none of it. This is just what I do. I don't want anybody copying me or doing the same thing as me, thinking that you're gonna look like me. Everybody's body is different. All of our diets and body needs and dietitianary needs and stuff are different. I believe that I am gluten intolerant, but we have not been officially, diagnosed that. I have been diagnosed with GERD though. I do have an upper GI issue, and because of that, I have to eat and work out a certain way. Now, understand something. I come from a very, very sporty background. I was a cheerleader, a soccer player. I did gymnastics. I tried volleyball. Like, I've literally done like everything. And on top of that, I'm a runner. I've been a runner since I was 17 or so, and I'm 29 now. So I've been a runner basically 12 years of my life, and I can run for miles. I'm an endurance runner, I'm long distance runner. I've sprinted for a while, and this bike right here, I've literally owned this bike since I started running, because on days that I couldn't go work out outside, I worked out inside, and I've ridden a bike. Now, I do about 20 miles a day, and it's taken me a very long time to work up to that. What I'm doing here, because honestly what I'm doing is I'm cycling for a mile, getting off and doing a set of a workout, and then getting back on for a mile, getting off and doing that same set of a workout. And I'll do the same set of workouts 4 times, and then I'll switch that workout, kind of like a circuit. And then I get back on the bike, and I alternate, and I do this for 20 miles. That's a long time for a lot of people. So please, please, please do not feel like you have to copy me in any way, shape, or form. And to be honest, I don't want you guys to hurt yourself or anything like that. These are all just what I do. Like I said, it's like a circuit for me. And my walk / run in the morning, that's been my daily since I was, like I said, like 17. That's been my daily. And before that, I was a cheerleader. So I was constantly doing cardio, constantly working out. You know, there's so much that go into this. So please, I don't want you guys to hurt yourself. It's just, I really am, like, I cannot stress this enough. Please do not feel like I am this fitness trainer who's just, you know, I know what I'm talking about. I'm not certified in anything. This is just what I do. So please do not hurt yourself. Go by your own body. You know, maybe if you are not like super don't want to say super fit, but if you're not used to this much cardio, because I do a lot of cardio, like a lot of cardio. And to be honest, even fitness people will probably be like, what the hell is she doing? That's way too much. This is just what works for me. This is what I've always done. So, you know, my body it's not used to it, but I have to find ways to throw it off. And today, this is just what my workout was, but every day is different for me. But I'm saying for you guys, maybe, you know, start off with a 5 mile or 3 mile type of bike ride and just leave it at that. It's very intense. And like I said, I'm not a fitness person, and fitness people would probably lose their mind on me. But this is just what my body does, and everybody needs to find their own way of working out and what works for them. So please, when you watch this, do not think, oh, if I eat gluten-free and I do her workout, I'm gonna look just like her. Like I said, we're all different. We're all beautiful in our own way. Just please be careful, please. Plus, I think that this reading is definitely off, because it says 700 calories, I think. Or was that the odometer? I think that was the odometer. But yeah, sometimes I think this thing is wrong. So really quick, gonna explain I eat. As you can see how much cardio I do, I eat a lot. I eat a lot of carbs, which I love. So yeah, we're gonna do 2 potatoes, and then I'm gonna put some olive oil and season on them. I haven't decided if I just want salt and pepper or if I want to actually season them up, but I'll let you guys know. We're gonna do 2 strips of turkey bacon. We're gonna do 2 strips of apple chicken sausage, something like that. And then 2 eggs. So that's gonna be breakfast. This is usually my normal breakfast. Yeah, 2 potatoes, 2 strips of bacon, 2 strips of turkey sausage, 2 strips of eggs. So I'm starving. Let's do it. Also, while I'm cooking and waiting for my food to be ready, I'm going to have a nectarine because they are in season right now, and summer is the only time that I get them. These are my favorite fruit in the whole wide world, so nectarine while I'm eating. And then earlier I had mentioned that I had turkey jerky. And these are them. So yes, they are gluten-free. Where is it? It says it's somewhere gluten-free right in the middle. But these are my favorite. I only have one, but for right now, we are having a nectarine while I cook. Okay, so I chopped up some potatoes, diced them, and then we're gonna throw them in the air fryer at 300 for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna put them at 350 for another 10 minutes. Salt and pepper. So we just flipped those, well, spun those, and now we have them in for another 10 minutes at 350. If I need more time, then I will put them back in, but right now we're gonna start on the bacon and chicken sausage, and then we're gonna do the eggs. So these are the turkey bacon. It's the Oscar Mayer. I get them every time. And then I also do these. You guys probably can't see them. There we go. These are the chicken and sage breakfast sausage by Applegate. Okay, I'm just whisking up 2 eggs. We're just gonna do scrambled today because I don't feel like trying to get like the perfect over easy egg. We're gonna throw that in. I forgot to turn it on. Turn it on to medium and babysit it. Don't worry if you see any smoke and stuff, it's just the pan. I need to get a new one. Okay, this is my breakfast. Turkey bacon, chicken sausage, 2 potatoes, 2 eggs, and egg whites. Yes, I'm eating on a paper plate because I don't feel like doing dishes because I'm cleaning today. I already have dishes that I just put in the sink, so I'm not trying to make more for me. But yeah, this is usually my breakfast. I usually have a very, very hearty breakfast because like I said, I work out a lot. I am huge into cardio, and because of that, my calorie count is very high. So I have to put stuff back into my body. So most of the time, this is the same one. Sometimes I will have a side of yogurt with like chia seeds or granola or apples or something on the side most of the time. But today we're not. I always try to have something a little sweet, and to me, you know, like, I don't know, sometimes I'll do like healthy pancakes, like my healthy like banana pancakes. Like I'll do something like that to have something sweet. An apple with yogurt, the apple's sweet. I just had a nectarine, that's sweet. Just to kind of throw it off. But most of the time, this is my breakfast. So for lunch, I have 2 servings of yogurt. I'm okay with that because I'm not that hungry right now. There is cinnamon, oatmeal, not oatmeal, granola. There's about a serving of granola, some chia seeds, and then I also have a apple completely cut up. Right now my lunch is a little light. I'm not really in the mood to eat. I'm not that hungry, but I need to eat something because of how much I worked out. So I ended up losing the rest of the clips for lunchtime. So instead we're gonna go straight into dinner. This is usually a normal dinner. We usually bake or barbecue. Today we're barbecuing, and yeah, usually we bake or barbecue either chicken or steak or brats or, you know, pork loin or anything like that. Pretty much whatever we can find at the store. I'm not really picky when it comes to my protein, so I can have basically anything and it doesn't bother me. Or I'm not really, you know, looking to constantly eat lean meat because sometimes a good steak is just good. But we season it with like some salt and pepper. We usually do some lemon juice. I think in this one we did some chili flakes, some garlic and onion powder, and then we just cook it up. And then usually what we'll do is I'll buy a bag of frozen veggies. I always buy either canned or frozen veggies. And then today we were in a rush. I had school and work and all that other stuff, so we just use an instant mashed potato, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Yes, it is gluten-free. But sometimes what I'll do is I'll cut up potatoes and I'll make homemade mashed potatoes. To me, it's all the same thing. I mean, potatoes is potatoes. Even this brand is made from like real potatoes. But yeah, pretty much we just do any of the Idaho potatoes, or I don't know how to pronounce that. But yeah, with the veggies, we just throw them in a pot, and usually I'll put like a little bit of butter, salt. That's basically it, and I just wilt them down. And then I follow the package for the potatoes, and we just have an instant mash, and it's a pretty healthy and simple meal. Dinner, it's quick and healthy, and it's easy, especially when we're both busy. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my real plus workout type of day, and if you guys like these, let me know and I'll try to do more. But that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.